Yes, this is for my viewers. This is a C250 compressor, 2005 Mercedes Benz, and this engine doesn't start. Somebody diagnosed this as a bad engine. I usually like to diagnose a car myself. I don't like when people tell me, "Oh yeah, it needs this." Nah, I'm not like that. So I'm a technician, Mercedes Benz, and I found the problem. As you can see, we got two bad Coronitas over here. They're worn out, so engine doesn't start. So to make this engine start, we gotta fix them. We gotta change them with two brand new ones. That's a little joke. No, actually, the problem is the gears. This is exhaust camshaft. This is intake camshaft. It's close to the intake manifold, so this is intake rail. This is exhaust over here, exhaust manifold. This is the exhaust camshaft. So over here, I don't think you. Well, actually, yeah, you could see it. See the teeth? You could barely see the teeth over here, which grab the chain. So they're worn out. The chain looks alright. I don't know if it's stretched. I'm gonna first install a new camshaft, time the engine, and we'll see. I'll turn the engine several times, see if it's good. The exhaust one, it looks alright. You can see the difference right there. It's a little worn out, but I think I should change it also. Yeah, because it's gonna happen the same thing as the intake. So I'll change both intake and exhaust camshaft. To do this, you had to take the valve cover out. Well, first take the harness, the engine harness, which is right there. It goes on top. Then the cover, valve cover, take that out, and then the front cover, which with that off, you got access to the camshaft. And to time it, you gotta position the crank on OT, align with this marking over here of the front cover, and then come over here. As you can see, the line, it's the exhaust is fine, straight out. This one I moved it to kind of align it, so when I put the new one in, I don't have to move anything around, so it's close, So yeah, when I crank the engine, the exhaust camshaft move, and then the intake stays in there, and the chain just rolls, cluck, 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 rolling over, So hopefully that's gonna be it. I'm not gonna spend too much money on it because I bought this car. Supposedly it needed an engine, and now it's a good thing because it doesn't need an engine. Bad diagnostic to those who told, well, actually two shop told this customer that he needed an engine. I'm the third guy who checked this. I guess I'm doing a good thing because I found something else. Hopefully it doesn't need an engine after I'm done changing the camshafts. So that's it. Yeah, those Coronitas, they gotta go, definitely. And this one, I'll take this one and finish this one right now. Good video. If you have any question, just comment, give it a good like, so I can make more videos useful like this ones. And if you're around, I could actually work on your car. I'll do a good job. As you can see, I know what I'm doing. Alright, have a good day, have a good night, whoever's seeing me, depending on the time that you're seeing this video. So peace.